That is your life right now. You probably say, "Oh, I'm so bored. My life is so boring. I don't even do anything. I don't have any fun. I'm so bored. I just literally do the same thing every day. Wake up, pop, jack off for 5 hours, go and eat shitty junk food, jack off for 5 hours again, scroll on Instagram till 3 a.m. Oh no, I'm so bored. I'm so bored. Your life is boring because you're overstimulating yourself. Too much social media. Social media is very addictive. And it makes us release a lot of the bad dopamine. Dopamine is not necessarily bad, but social media makes dopamine look bad. Just get off social media. The amount of people that have and me to be told is just get off. But some people can't even just live without social media. But basically just fills up their day. So they're like, oh no, yes, man, I'll just be bored if I don't use this. Let me just scroll for 6 hours on TikTok. Why not? Because I don't have anything else to do. Yeah. Do a dopamine detox. Again, Hamza has a guide. Many other people have a guide. Nicholas Christie, Leod Hendricks. We have a guide to do this. Steps to do these protocols. Even Kanjon Academy. Many people have to do that. I'm not personally made a video on it. I've not tried one yet, but selling the future. I'll try. I am still doing social media. I'm not perfect. I might make this video, but I'm not perfect at this. But I'm getting somewhere. I have done a 7-day dopamine detox before a year ago. Yes, it was really good, but due to school and stress and everything, I'm not really able to get back into it. But for you, you literally have nothing to do. All you just do is scroll your phone, so you can't even complain like that all the time. You can't complain. Oh no, I have to go to school. I can't. When I get back, I want to rest. 3 hours, you're not resting. You're vaccinating your brain. Do you really think when you're scrolling through social media, your brain is at rest? No. When you're sitting down there journaling, when you're lying down thinking about how good your day was, or you talk to one of your friends or anything, do something, order, just scroll it. That's when your mind is at peace and rest. Simple first act, do it dopamine. Just searching dopamine detox on the YouTube search bar and watch it. Watch a video on it. Most of them, Hansa has two long ones. Don't skip around. If you chose those, don't skip. Listen to it in full order. Don't skip around. And the second one is get out of your comfort zone. This sounds scary, like, whoa, chill, bro. What do you mean by comfort zone? Comfort zone is literally the same thing that you do every day. Comfort zone is predictable. You know what's going to happen. You're like, oh, yes, today, yeah, I'm just going to scroll on my phone. So I don't feel like doing anything. So get out of your comfort zone. Go for a walk. Have a cold shower. Have a cold plunge in the middle of the ocean, in the middle of the sea. Just go, simple, go for a walk. Go for a walk and try and talk to someone. Go talk to that stranger, or go talk to that person you're always saying, this guy is a high value person. Let me go talk to him. Do things that are different. Just by doing something different, it like gives you a sense of joy and happiness. You're like, today I talked to this person now, they're starting to talk to me and I feel great. Just that simple act will definitely make your life at least a little bit more interesting than what it used to be before. You just lying down for 5 hours scrolling through TikTok. Another short video.